Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you why MailerLite is hands down the best free email marketing platform in 2025 and walk you through a complete tutorial so you can start building your email list and sending campaigns in no time. So, why MailerLite? Let's look at what you get for free. Up to 1,000 subscribers, 12,000 emails per month, access to landing pages, automations, sign up forms, drag and drop email builder, branding no on emails. Unlike MailChimp or ConvertKit, you are not forced into paid plan early. It's beginner friendly but powerful enough to grow with you. Now let's set it up. Go to MailerLite.com and click the first link. And then click sign up for free. Now fill in your company name, your name, email address, and password. Then click create my account. Alternatively, you can use your Google, Microsoft, and Apple account for sign up. Then click create my account. You will need to verify your domain or business information to get approved. But it usually takes less than a day. This is your dashboard, clean and easy to navigate. Now click continue, continue, select business type, then continue and enter your address. Then continue. This is your dashboard, clean and easy to navigate. Campaigns, subscribers, forms, automation sites, etc. Start by creating a group which is like a list of subscribers. Click subscribers from the left side bar. Then go to group section. Now click create group. Name it like name it like newsletter or leads. Then click create. You can import contacts manually or through sign up forms later. Let's create a sign up form for your website. Go to Forms tab from the left side bar. Now click Create from Embed Forms. Choose your group or type, then name it like Form 1. Now click Save and Continue. Now select your group from here, then click Continue. Now customize the form Add fields like name and email, change the design, and add a success message. Once done, MailerLite will give you a code. You can paste this into your website, blog, or landing page. You can also use pop-up or promotion forms with timers and scroll triggers. Then click Done Editing and copy the URL or HTML code from here. Now let's send your first email. Go to Campaigns, click Create, choose Regular Campaign, give it a name, First or Test Mail, write a subject, Test, and enter a valid email account. I will use my personal account. So now copy your email address from your mailbox and paste it into the sender mailer box. But you need to verify your account. Then click content, and that's it. Use the drag and drop builder to create a beautiful email, add your logo, text, images, button, and social links. MailerLite even includes pre-designed templates to save time. Once done, choose your group and click send or schedule. Here's where Mailer shines, like email automation. Go back to dashboard. Now go to automation section under site section. Now click create. Choose one template from here and follow the process. Add a welcome email, delete timers or conditional branches like if clicked then etc. Great for welcome sequences, mini courses or product follow-ups. After your campaign is sent, go to campaign reports to track performance like open rate, click rate, link tracking, etc. And that's it. If you if this video helped, drop a like and subscribe. Want a full tutorial on advanced automations or lead magnets? Comment below and I will make that next. Thanks for watching.